Alright everybody, we're out here with the Amcrest Force. May the Force be with you. But I wanted to bring it outside and try it because I never did try it outside yet. So I brought it over here to this little basketball court area to where if it gets out of control, it'll probably just crash into the fence. But of course, if it goes up too high and goes over the fence, well then, you know, it's adios. So you got your choice. We don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to find out here in a second. Okay, it's on. So this is that toss and go thing. So let's just see what happens. It may be the last time you ever see it. Oh crap, it went up there pretty high. So this is that uncrashable thing. You know, it will. Let's see if it'll go the whole battery without crashing. A buddy of mine at work wants this thing, so I figured I'd come out for one more go around. Before I gave it to him. It's going right for the fence. Oh, see, so it doesn't see the fence real good because it's not a solid object. It's got all that little in-between stuff. So if it starts going toward a fence, you're going to have to get over there and intercept it and block it with your hand. Wait a minute, is it going out? No! Oh. Will you believe that? It buried. But the wind, you know, it took it right there. So this thing in the wind that's a no-go there. And since the wind is kind of blowing toward me, I think I'm going to walk out this way a little bit and see. Yeah, it goes up there pretty high right off the bat. So you can't let it go to the fence because the fence won't stop it. It can't see it fast enough. Well, it turns out wants to go to that fence. It's certainly not as smart out here as it is inside. Okay, it's outside. It's kind of stupid. Inside, it's fine. Oh, you know what? I think I knocked it into that sport mode or whatever that other mode is that's on this thing. The fast mode, because it doesn't seem, the sensors don't seem to be working at all. So I'm going to turn it off and reset it. Yeah, the sensors don't seem to be doing anything, so I must have hit it into that other mode. Oh, it tried that. Did you hear that? It tried to start there for just like 1 second. Oh well. Okay, I keep throwing it and it keeps doing nothing. This is the thing, I took a day off of work to come out here and do this. I really didn't, but I wonder if the battery's dead. It's not, the light's not flashing. No. Okay, so now it wants to go over this way. There it is, battery's dead. Okay, so I don't know why it's got stupid out here, because I didn't even know how to put it in that other mode. Yeah, there's a blue light on it when I guess it's in that other mode, and then there's the green light. You just tap the power button to change the modes. Okay, so the blue light. Okay, there's the green light. I wasn't really expecting a lot out of this thing today, guys, to be honest with you. So that's the way it goes. I'll just give it to Jason and let his kids play with it. Alright, there you go, guys. It goes outside, but it's very susceptible to any kind of breeze whatsoever. So there you go. Alright, guys, have a nice day.